Having trouble with your Samsung TV flicker and black screen? Let's get it sorted now. Hey there, Samsung users. If your TV is flickering or going black, don't worry. I've got your back. First things first, check your HDMI cables. Sometimes a loose or faulty connection is the culprit. Make sure everything is plugged in nice and snug. Still flickering? Try a power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall, wait for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. This little reset can work wonders. Next, let's update your TV software. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Keeping your TV's software up to date can solve many issues. If that doesn't do the trick, head into Picture Settings. Turn off the energy saving feature and see if that helps. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be time to consult Samsung support. But hey, chances are, one of these tips will have your screen shining bright again. Thanks for watching.